impacted in The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for north central Lee County until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located 7 miles northwest of Lexington, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Tanglewood and Blue. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.